Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a rounded rectangle shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to make a rounded rectangle. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option and choose blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and select the shape option. Now we can see here many shape. Now we go to the rectangle side and select the rounded rectangle. Then draw the rectangle, press shift on our keyboard. Now we can see we make a rounded rectangle shape very easily. You can change the fill color or change the outline color or add more than effect. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Then select the shape fill option and change the color. Otherwise you can change the outline color. Select the style drop down menu and choose any style. Now we can see we insert a rounded rectangle very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.